Hi there, welcome to the My Day 5 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. You can find a link to a printable PDF version of this eating plan in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our health and wellness videos. Now, let's dive into today's menu. To start your day, we recommend the grilled peanut butter and strawberry sandwich. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the morning. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 1 whole grain bread sandwich thin, that's at least 3 grams of fiber. 1 goes well with 1 tablespoon of all natural nut butter. It could be peanut, almond, cashew, or even sunflower seed butter. And lastly, add a touch of sweetness with half a cup of sliced strawberries or any of your favorite berry varieties. As for the preparation, spread the nut butter on one side of the bread and the other side. Lightly toast the bread until golden brown. Then top with the sliced strawberries and enjoy this delightful combination of flavors and textures. Remember, it's important to choose whole grain bread with at least 3 grams of fiber per serving to ensure you get the most nutritional value. Whole grains are rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber content aids digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied, making it an excellent choice for a wholesome breakfast. Additionally, incorporating nut butter provides healthy fats, protein, and a creamy texture that complements the sweetness of the strawberries. Whether you're enjoying this sandwich as a grab-and-go option or taking it with you for a picnic, this recipe offers both convenience and nourishment. All right, now let's move on to lunch. Today we have the chicken burger fiesta salad. This recipe is a vibrant and nutritious salad that's perfect for lunch. And guess what? We're using leftover chicken burgers from yesterday's dinner. If you don't have any leftover chicken burgers, you can easily prepare some grilled chicken breasts and use them in this recipe. Let's see what else we need. Add 2 cups of lettuce, then add half a cup of black beans. And if you're using canned black beans, make sure to give them a good rinse. Next, add a 1/4 cup of low-fat cheddar cheese for a little protein and flavor. And lastly, add about 1/3 of an avocado for healthy fats and a creamy texture. For the dressing, we're going to mix together 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This will add a nice tangy flavor to the salad. And if you like, you can add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. However, if you have high blood pressure, it's best to avoid adding salt. Also, if you have high blood pressure, keep in mind that store-bought salsa can be high in sodium, so it's a good idea to rinse the beans before using them in this recipe. Rinsing the beans removes excess sodium and any impurities, ensuring that your salad starts with a clean and fresh base. Now, if you love salsa, you can certainly add it to your salad for an extra burst of flavor. Just be mindful of the sodium content. Next up, we have a quick and easy snack. 1.5 cups of shelled edamame, sprinkled with a little sea salt. Edamame is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, making it a nutritious addition to your snack. The soy protein isolates are high in quality and contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. And don't worry about the salt. A little sea salt enhances the natural savory flavor of the edamame, making it even more enjoyable. And now it's time for dinner. Today, we have a delicious and protein-packed meal, the egg white veggie omelet. This omelet is not only nutritious, but also versatile as it allows you to incorporate your favorite vegetables. To make this omelet, you will need 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg. This combination ensures that you get the protein and nutrients from the eggs while keeping the cholesterol in check. Now, add about half a cup of your favorite veggies. It could be onions, peppers, mushrooms, or spinach. And for the base, we're going to use 2 slices of whole grain bread or 1 medium-baked sweet potato. Toasting the bread adds a nice crispy texture to the omelet. And if you're looking for a healthier alternative to traditional potatoes, baked sweet potatoes are a great option. They're a good source of vitamins and minerals, and using the skin on baked sweet potato adds fiber and nutrients to your meal. That's a wrap on day 5 of our 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan. We hope you enjoyed today's menu, which includes delicious recipes like the grilled peanut butter and strawberry sandwich, chicken burger fiesta salad, egg white, veggie omelet, and more. Remember to prioritize whole grain options, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables to nourish your body and support a healthy lifestyle. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier you. Please subscribe for more helpful tips and recipes. Stay tuned for day 6 and continue embracing nourishing choices that make you feel your best. Until next time, happy, healthy living.